Hello guys, welcome into the new video, and today we will learn how to create a shortcut of incognito mode so it's easy for you to access without going into the Chrome and then opening a new tab. So this way you can actually create a shortcut and get into incognito window quickly. So what you can do basically, so make sure you have a shortcut of a Google Chrome on your desktop. So what you have to do, you have to right click and go to properties, and then you will get this target address. So what you need to do basically, you need to click, make sure select all of it. Okay, so just go to the last bit and then select all of it and then copy that. Okay, and then what you can do, you right click and new, create a shortcut and paste that address, and then in the end you need to make a space and then put dash and then type incognito. Okay, incognito space dash incognito and click next, and I will call this incognito as well just to differentiate than Chrome, and click finish. So now you can see we have this incognito shortcut. So what we can do, we can right click or maybe double click to open it. So as you can see, when we open that, we actually get this. Okay, so we are in incognito mode. Okay, so if I close that one and then open it again, is actually going to my different screen, but you can see that is actually going into incognito mode. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I will come with the next video soon. Hit the like button and subscribe. See you.